students, today I am going to start a new chapter in Java, that is conditional construct in Java, in which I will be teaching you if loop, if else loop, if else if loop, if ladder, switch case, default, break, menu driven programming. So I have earlier also explained about these things, but today I will discuss about these things in detail. So first of all, we need to go through the few of the topics. We need to go through the theory. First one is we need to know about what is compound statement. A statement which is combination of many blocks, many programming constructs, many looping is called compound statements. For example, perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, system.out.print perimeter equals to double quotes perimeter. Means this here you can see we are using multiplication operator, plus operator, we are using system.out.println, and we have written the formula of perimeter. So this is kind of a compound statement. Now in the chapter if else construct, we will start with programming construct. Programming construct means what are the things we need to use while doing a programming. Like we need to use some sequence, we need to use sequence. Sequence means it is a control structure in which set of instruction is each executed once in order in which they are written. Means जैसे if else loop जैसे लिखा रहेगा वैसे execute करेगा. That is called a sequence. For example, develop a Java program to find the greatest number out of the 3 positive numbers using if constructs. In this programming we will write a name of the class, that is class if testing. We will use a method that is public void if test. कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये मेथड है? मैंने आपको बहुत बार बताया है कि the significance of a method is that it is using void and फिर ब्रैकेट होता है जिसमें हम कुछ पैरामीटर पास करते हैं. सो वी आर यूजिंग 3 पैरामीटर्स. पैरामीटर्स क्या होते हैं? पैरामीटर्स आर द वैल्यूज़ वी आर यूजिंग इनसाइड द प्रोग्रामिंग. सो वी आर यूजिंग 3 वैल्यूज़ हियर A, B and C. बोथ आर ऑफ इंटीजर टाइप. वी विल यूज़ अ वेरिएबल ग्रेटेस्ट क्योंकि हमें ग्रेटेस्ट निकालना है. we will print a message that double quotes value of A equals to double quotes A, मतलब value of A ये होगा. Then again we will write system.out.println. We will write greatest equals to A. We will print value of B equals to B, system.out.println. इफ़ B ग्रेटर देन ग्रेटेस्ट, अगर B में जो नंबर हम एंटर करेंगे वो ग्रेटेस्ट है तो ग्रेटेस्ट में इक्वल टू क्या प्रिंट हो जाएगा? B. फिर C का वैल्यू लेंगे, अगर C ग्रेटेस्ट होगा तो C प्रिंट हो जाएगा. और लास्ट में एक मैसेज आएगा कि द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ द वैल्यू इज़ ग्रेटेस्ट, मतलब A B C में जो भी ग्रेटेस्ट होगा वो प्रिंट हो जाएगा. ये स्टेटमेंट को बोलते हैं सीक्वेंस. मतलब जैसे सीक्वेंस ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग लिखा है वैसे ये एग्जीक्यूट होता है.